Wow, what about it? What is it, Claud? Bomba!
Who made brother?
Sure. Welcome everybody. Now again for another magnet fishing video. Today is just a quick, literally a quick magnet fishing video. Claud and they are just me and Abby.
They don't know Abby.
Oh, they don't know who is Abby.
They don't know Abby.
Today is Abby's first time on the video. She come on the video already on the channel. She come on the video already, but it was in a, I did one. It was a WhatsApp call over the phone. So I try to get her to show the magnet at least one time and see what we can find. So today we are trying to recover a possible criminal weapon. So 1 week ago over there, so may I show it in the video. Yes, it was a crime scene, police and gunman, and somebody I roll the clip on the page now, on the video now, and you see what I talk about.
Police shot and killed an alleged gunman. Another was captured, while 2 others escaped after engaging the lawmen in a shootout sometime after midday today. One of the bikes crashed near the entrance of Bayshore Park, where one of the men was found suffering from gunshot wounds. His pillion tried to escape by jumping into the sea, but was later captured by the police. Seen and believed the pillion, who jumped into the sea, may have dropped a firearm in the water. The incident caused a major traffic pileup along all routes heading to Harbourview. Indicom is investigating.
Alright, Abby, take your first show. Show it all the way out. Show as far as possible. Now you say nobody come down. Alright. What you say, I find the gun?
Can I get the next glove?
Yeah, I need 2 gloves.
I don't want to hold it because the water smell away. Alright, let me just. So let's put it in the regular?
Yeah, let's put it in. Put it in store.
Oh.
You don't put it in store, but put it in store in case you have something I possibly may come off.
Yeah, this is so heavy.
You feel like you have something?
I don't know how it does feel when you have something.
Oh.
Like a flea or something, like a move to the square.
Oh, them thing.
Oh, that. No, that was that, man.
Abby, you have nothing. Say I drag it now. That's what I say, so it's like it's slow. So the other side can go down on the ground.
Okay.
So you have to throw it out again.
First blow, so that's understandable. I'm going to throw something. Hold my phone, please?
No.
So I'll put my phone.
Go on with the phone now. Until don't put it there, sir. Make a wallet.
If it drop a year, fine. Just buy me a next one. No, man, no, man. Lord, they might bite me.
Wow, what about it?
They might bite me and you don't go.
Abby,
you wouldn't bite.
Abby, you're too dramatic, Abby.
Alright, go to the stand up. That's what you said about mine.
Alright, give me your phone.
I flee them there, something.
Well, I don't see nothing.
Alright, when I'm traveling, I'm going to show you. Not like this.
Alright, I can't put it in now. Because that's how the magnet set on it. So you have to pull it slow so it can, when you pull it slow, it get time for far back over.
No. I don't see how far I can show it.
So I'm sure I have the next big one. Because the big one can something there. It's double-sided. So no matter which side it's on, it still have magnet on it. And the one time I leave it at the one time when I need it, Abby. You see that? What?
Nah, go back there to the sun up in the sky. Alright, you go pull in that one there and tell me if you don't pick some crap in your foot. I mean, no, I'm mad somebody. Some things over there are crap and food.
I mean, I did for comfort.
No, I some little bug. Name at somebody? You know again?
Yes, somebody find out.
It always feel that way. Does it always feel that way?
Yes, sometimes trick you. I think it's something find. Yeah, but now like this feel like something find it. But I'm gonna start pull it. I don't start at the tongue feels sour.
Yeah, we might need to go to our next spot.
Yeah, go to the next spot.
No, it's like throw some money in like kind of next spot. So nothing again. Come and see the feel on your foot. See there? It's crawling right. Look at your foot.
Wow.
It's someone just push off your foot. See in there.
Wow.
It just push off. You not feel nothing. That's why your body dead.
The position of the magnet, it make it hard for, not hard, but it make it kind of difficult for the magnet attach to nothing, yes sir? Because of how it's set. And the one time I walk with my two-sided magnet, at the time when I need it. I walk with a single-sided magnet. That one I can't use, yes sir.
So what we're going to do?
I'm going for the next one. Well going everybody. So this is day number 2 of the following video. The same video of me and Abby start. So this is day number 2. Today I'm there with Claud because I'm there with Claud today because Abby couldn't make it today. So Claud down there, sir. I'm going to look on the water. Yeah. So this is one different spot from the last time me and Abby come here. Cause the spot me and Abby did go seems like it now have nothing. So me I try a different spot now. Alright, we'll get started. Oh, I have a new magnet, that's all. This is the new one. Alright, I see some things that jump up in the water over there, so I'm not sure what is that. Oh, it's it right there, too. Yeah, people watch it. I bear things that move up in the water.
The big fish there now?
One big fish out there, so. Oi!
Should I dive right there and catch some of them?
No, overdo. You say I dive right there, sir?
The bird should have dive right there and catch some of them.
And catch some of them. Anyways, so people, I want to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, let me know anything. When you leave a comment, let me know some need to do more. And when you leave a like, it helps the channel grow and suggest it to more people. When you subscribe, it helps me to do more video. So do me a favor, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you what to do. Simple, this is the channel. So you go up on the channel, it's a video, you like the video, and you subscribe, and you turn on the bell notification to all. And that's it.
Yeah, people, so finally get back my magnet because as you know the other one they got stuck at Flatbridge. So finally get back one of them. And I'm super excited. So we can pull it quick. Pull it.
You don't know, big up to our sponsor, Rogue Magnetics.
Remember, use the code Jamaica 10.
Yeah.
Use the code Jamaica 10 to get 10% off on your purchase for your magnet at roguemagnetics.com. But yeah, thank you again for another gator. 1300. Yay! Finally, super happy and excited to get back one of these. Thank you guys.
All right, people. So first throw of the day.
You want to see fish there?
Huh?
You want to see fish there?
Oh. This already feel like say it have something. But I know I said it's kind of heavy, so I know now make it trick me. Yeah, I see nothing upon it. Nothing. And starfish. Look on this. Boy! I'm afraid to touch it. A starfish. Look at that. This is the other side of a starfish. Oh shit, but not a race, we don't have on the gloves. No sir, we not try to put it on. Alright, so it feel rough. The magnet feel rough. And I can feel like yeah. I can feel like it a drop on something. But I don't have nothing yet. But the tree rough like a stone there at the bottom of this the water here, so now it feels soft. Nothing, it's clean. I try again, because I see something here so I want to pick up. Ah. Yeah, a whole heap of jellyfish, not jellyfish, starfish under the sand though, because I see more come up.
See more come up?
Yeah, I may drag the chair. But, look on this. Find one chair. Just relaxing in the water. First find of the day, Claud.
Yeah.
An old chair.
Yeah, that is it, man. That is it. I'm a few way out of here.
Yeah. Oi. First find of the day.
What's one more than that?
Wait, more jellyfish. And one more there, sir.
Now we just work up the mouse.
Yeah. Almost a jellyfish?
Yeah.
Starfish. Oh.
Now we find something.
What that dog? What that?
I don't know, it looks like it come off of maybe some type of machine, some board.
Yeah, it can come off of some kind of machine also.
Yeah.
You see it? People, if you don't know what this be, make you know in the comments what this could be.
Oh, we never had no gloves. Ah.
This bad.
Yeah.
Alright, that means
Or maybe the thing with them, with the doctor them use with the light.
Look at their ears. Ears
and mouth.
Aight, man.
See.
Oh, my skin feel like it ready for strip off already. I don't know I'm gonna walk with no gloves.
Wait, no, come on, we have something, man.
What that?
Wait, what is?
Wait, look at one more.
Wait, where so much cheer come from?
Look at one more chair, yeah.
No man, no, where so much cheer come from?
Look like.
Where so much cheer come from?
You must have a whole heap of rainfall already, you know.
Oh yeah.
So a whole heap of madness come down in the seawater.
Be a madness, eh?
Yeah. Second. What, a third final day?
Yeah. London, innit?
London, innit? Piece more of the chair. Watch it, Claud. Piece more chair.
I guess that one they broke off of my chair.
Yeah.
Baby, your chair way by. Sorry, little guy. I tried to
Yeah, this is my entire chair, but that chair not good. Alright, so I'm going to show out this now. My magnet, feel like it now want to grab nothing because the way out I'm moving on the water, feel like it now want to grab nothing. I try to pull it in slow and see if that works. Because we know this is a Kingston Habour and a whole lot of things coming to Kingston Habour anytime rain fall hard. So
I feel like I have something, but I also feel like at the ground, okay, you know how it looks tricky.
yeah.
Remember a starfish.
Like right now, you can see how my magnet are moving in the water. I can't grab nothing, sir. Yeah, others so feel like me have something, Is that one? That's something?
Yeah.
What that?
I have no idea.
What that, yo? Yeah. Look like it's going on something though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well. We need to find something more, because Claud I find the whole other thing them. I give up. I give up, Claud.
Yeah, I give up so easy, man.
Show it on.
Come on, make you foot in the itch in our room.
Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh, so one more starfish, huh? One more starfish there, so. Alright, so we maybe change location. Like, we maybe.
No, some more.
What do you say?
No way.
What do you say, Claud? Bomba!
Bomba! No, Joe. Bro, I will make this.
Yo, Claud. I wanted to find Claud.
Come on, go find my homemade gun, bro. I not even want to touch it. I'm afraid my fingerprint up at it.
Yo, you sure it's not real? Yo, open your palm, find different real. You sure that real?
I don't know, it look like it got rust to the point where this not even move or so.
Yeah, look like it's in the water for a good amount of time.
Yeah,
Green thing
dog. Not even want to touch it.
This look like it's in the water for a good amount of time. Dog.
Dog. I'm gonna call police in a minute.
Yo.
Get a thumbnail, get a thumbnail.
Hold on, Claud, I get a thumbnail. Hold on there. People, this is a never been seen before on magnet fish in Jamaica.
No, look how this steer, my youth. Look how carved there as a person
This-
met this.
This is a homemade firearm. I don't know if it's still
Hey,
good.
you believe we'll find? You see what we'll find?
Dog, right now, I don't even know if I say. I want to jump and go and I'm happy. Well, I'm happy because a long time I want to find something exactly. What you man look at that thing?
Look how fine!
Yo, hold on. We can keep this? Someone in the comment, tell me if we can keep something like this. Cause
I feel for contact authority.
since it homemade and it not functional anymore. Well,
we don't know if it's functional.
Yeah, I don't know if it's functional, but it don't look like it's functional to me. Well, maybe we can keep it because our fine, our property though. We have to call the police though.
And see what happens, car boy.
Put it here so I'm gonna show them better.
This?
Yeah. Look at this, guys. I have to show it again. Oh my god. A gun. Well, a homemade gun.
You feel like if you try to take it off and hold it?
Take that and hold it.
Yeah, you feel so?
What's the shot now? You're not in there, not in there.
I don't know, I don't see nothing in there.
Oh, maybe. You know, I feel like this, be. You know, I feel like this, be. I feel like this, something where somebody, a criminal, would have make and use to rob people. So it's not functional, but them use it for, you know, stick up people. And, you know, you wouldn't know if you see that. If you see that, I think says it real. Or if it, I think says functional.
Boom blast! Boom blast! Boom blast! One another!
Oh.
Boom blast! Boom blast!
You can't play with the things, so evidence on my own. Because we don't know if it actually could have used. Put it down. No, what? Yeah?
No, me I wash up a fingerprint.
Put it back right there, sir. We'll call up the authority and then we'll come feed.
Yeah, cause no, it's actually serious.
Yeah.
It's actually serious, bro.
Alright, so fun and joke aside now, we'll call the police and see what them say. Morning. So I'm gonna do a YouTube video. This thing called magnet fishing. This thing called magnet fish where you throw a magnet in the water. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so I find what look like a homemade firearm in the water. My boy for call a while ago, but I soon at the right time, someone just following down. Right there, right here, sir. Huh?
Look like fish gun.
No man, it look like a prop. Cause what look fine good.
Wait there.
So I know say we can't keep this, so I go for call a while ago. I'm soon do it.
Take it off, I know.
Yeah.
It's a homemade gun, man.
Mm.
I want to kill nobody. Homemade, brother.
Sure.
Alright, so that's it. Yes, man.
That's it? Alright, bless. Jaja. I'm putting at them vault. Whoa. So you guys going to like investigate it and thing, like doing the thing? Oh, send it to you. Alright, thanks a lot, yeah?
What's your name?
Claud.
Claud?
Claud. Claud Watkins and he's Noel Smith.
What's your name?
Noel Smith.
Will Smith.
Yeah.
I want to do YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Alright.
Alright, much respect, yeah? Alright. I
Huh?
guess that's a wrap.
That's a wrap, cause we'll find something and that complete the video.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Alright people, so as you can see, the police, them did really nice. Them never, behave nowhere. Them just take the evidence, cause it can be evidence, potential evidence, right?
Yeah, so them are gonna just putting out like a little paper bag like,
Yeah.
and them are gonna just investigate that.
What is it?
Them putting out in paper bag,
Yeah.
and putting out like this safe thing in the back of them car,
Yeah.
and them saying them are gonna send it in for check and thing and them auto phone name and thing, and say, oh no, do YouTube? Say yeah.
Oh, you tell him about the channel?
Yeah.
Alright, mad.
Well, not about the channel, but I tell him say we do YouTube. I say, oh no, YouTubers. I'm say yeah.
Oh, so you should tell him about the channel, you know,
Yeah,
promote
tell him,
that.
man, yo, but I'm afraid at the same time, kind of scared. You dig me? But yeah.
Yeah. So, them take the firearm and them gone with it. So,
Yeah.
wait, when I supposed to get money for them thing there for find a firearm?
Yo, I don't know what to tell you. Who made brother?
Jano star.
But yeah.
Alright, so alright, I'm gonna wrap the video for that here because that is an amazing find.
Yeah.
If I find that's something amazing, then I have to wrap the video. Basically.
Bruh, I'm literally a shake right
Yo.
now because I lost our words. Bro.
People, make sure on leave a comment on the thing. One thing that going to be. It could have been somebody what used to use it, but them like them. That is like them, like you give up on a life there, you say that you're done with this and you're not going to pass it on to nobody else.
Yeah.
That's the only logic I can think, but somebody have it, they want to say, I'm done with this, I'm not pass it on to nobody else, I'm going to start that shit there.
Or another can be where which police are running somebody and then just run off.
Oh, yeah. Because the reason why I'm coming in the first place is because a video they happened yesterday, a crime. Police they are running some gunman.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but that's remember what that police are running some gunman and them coming out of the water and them say believe say one of them drop a gun in the water. Yeah. So that could have been the gun.
Oh well, who knows? Comment down below and let us know what you think, guys.
Yeah man, I remember for like, leave a comment. As I said, leave a comment on the thing and subscribe. Get me to 7,000 subscribers. We go to 7,000 subscribers. And leave a like.